Well, I just about got this corner ready to come off. And I know y'all VW guys are probably cringing right now. This might not be the way y'all would do it. But, you know what? I get the same end result. Where I get it off, clean all that old metal off, start with some fresh, clean VW metal, and go back with that sheet metal. You'll never know what happened. Let's just keep on. Let's go eventually. There we go. I guess I need to get me a tripod. Hey, there we go. Some of y'all VW guys will be like, why are you cutting this out, man? It's not that bad. Well, my customer is making a nice show car. And he don't want no Bondo in it. Or hardly at all. You know, a little skim coat, that's about it. It's a nice bus. It don't deserve all that Bondo. It definitely don't deserve all that old rust. Definitely got us a project going on though.